Should I do it? I think I should. Jacket. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl IbbyInspired, and I am so happy to be back. You guys, I have been so busy with school and work and doing everything, but I am really drilled in with getting my YouTube videos out for you guys. It is a personal goal of mine, and 2019 is not through yet, so girl, you can still accomplish your goals. Anyways, as you guys can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing the Jackie x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Did you guys see that post when she was like holding it in her hand and it was blurred out because she couldn't reveal it yet and everybody was already going crazy? You guys, we've been waiting on this palette forever, and the fact that she teamed up with Anastasia Beverly Hills makes it even better, because you guys know that Anastasia Beverly Hills is known for her great products already. Today we are going to be doing a first impressions on this Jackie Aina palette. You guys, I am so excited to show you guys. Now, before we get started, you guys know what to do. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to that IbbyInspired fam bam. You guys know we gotta get our IbbyInspired fam bam crackin' lackin' now that I am back. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this review. Okay guys, so I did want to let you guys know that today we are going to be using products that Jackie Aina has mentioned in her videos as being some of her favorite products, or companies that Jackie Aina has collabed with. So I thought that would be a really cool concept because we are doing the Jackie Aina palette today. Alright guys, so as you can see, as always, my eyebrows are on. We're gonna go ahead and start with our Hydrogrip primer from Milk Makeup. And it looks like this, and Jackie Aina has mentioned this in one of her videos. Feels very hydrating. So before we get started with our palette, I'm gonna go ahead and do my LA Proconceal, and this is in the color red, and this is just the color corrector, and I like to use this right before I do my eyeshadow, only because by the time the foundation is ready to go, our eyes are done, everything is good. This has already settled in, this is really dry, and it's already sank into your skin. It's not lifting or moving. So I normally like to take a really flat topped looking brush like this, and I don't rub, but I actually just pat it in just like this. So now that that is done, I'm going to take some setting powder and I am going to set the color corrector, the moment we have all been waiting for. Yes guys, this is the Jackie Aina palette. Packaging, as you can see, is very chromatic, so pretty. See what the back looks like, same thing. This is actually the packaging, but you guys, I don't even think I'm gonna throw this away. That's how you know Jackie put a lot of work into this. Then of course, you guys, in the box you have Jackie's beautiful palette. The packaging for the actual palette itself is pretty similar to the box packaging. The only difference is that this packaging on the palette actually has texture to it. Same size as the normal Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and you guys, the colors are bomb. I'm sure that a lot of you guys have seen the colors already online, but this is what it looks like true color wise, because sometimes when you see it online it doesn't necessarily show true colors, but I can definitely see some pretty cool fun colors in here and words that Jackie Aina would use in her videos. So Supreme, Big Wig, Credit, Lituation, Sponsored, Edges, those are just words that Jackie Aina usually uses. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a couple of colors for you so you guys can see the pigmentation on the palette. So let's go in with Big Wig, of course. It's this beautiful purple color, and this color really sticks out to me. It's really vibrant, it's really out there, it's really bold. Okay, amazing. So this is what Big Wig looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and do Edges, and Edges is like a darker orange color, has a little bit of a red undertone tint to it. It's an interesting color when it comes off on my hand, but that's what it looks like on my hand. So let's go ahead and do a look. I have an idea of what I'm going to do. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, we are going to want to make these colors popping, make Poppington, okay? We are going to be using our P.Louise base, and this is in a white base. This is in color 0, so it's just white, and I really like this base because it really does its job by just giving you a really nice blank canvas on your eyelid. And we're just gonna do very okay, don't come for me. So of course we're gonna do the Big Wig, and that is that purple. I've been talking about it this whole entire video, so it only makes sense for me to use it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that right above my lid for the transition color. Okay guys, so to soften up that Big Wig color, we're going to use this color Ginger here, which is like a really nice light brownish oranges color. And I'm going to use the same exact brush, and I'm just going to soften that up in this area. So as you can see, the color of the shade really blended in so seamlessly. We're so here for it. Jackie, you off to a good start, girl. Good job. I'm going to take a really small flat brush, and I'm going to go back in with my P.Louise shade 0, and I am going to put that on our actual lid.
Take me away from home, show me all the places I've never known.
I'm gonna go in with Wiggly's, which is this gorgeous red color here, and then I think I'm gonna go in with Zam for my little inner corner of my eye. This is crazy. Okay, this is like everything right now to me. This looks so good. That looks so good. This is what you are looking like right now, sis. Look at it. Look at this look. I'm not even done yet, and this look is already looking so pretty. It looks fire. I cannot. You guys, now I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I will show you guys what both eyes look like in just a moment. Okay guys, so I'm so excited to show you guys the final look for my eyes. As you guys can see, it's giving me like kind of like Mardi Gras festival vibes. I think it turned out really pretty. But let's go ahead and finish our looks, can see what this whole thing is really supposed to look like. I'm gonna go ahead, do our eyeliner, and I am going to just line my eyes the way I like them. We're gonna do our cat eye. Okay guys, so cat eyes are on and popping. We are gonna go in with this A.Crown Lashes that I got from Amazon. Unfortunately, it is not Jackie Aina recommended, and maybe, but she hasn't done a review on these. But I absolutely love these lashes, and I just think that they're gonna be great for the look. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on. As you guys can see, my eyelashes are on. Please don't sleep on Amazon eyelashes because they are shapoppin' and poppin' 10. Okay. So of course we are going to use our Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara to go ahead and blend in my actual eyelashes with our falsies. Of course, we need to do our face so my face does not look orange any longer. So we are going to go ahead and start with the Born This Way by Too Faced, and we are in the shade Cocoa. And as you guys know, Jackie Aina expanded the Too Faced Born This Way foundation shades more so that it fits more women of color. So I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer. You can also contour, highlight, and retouch with this, but I normally just use it as a concealer, and I use Toffee. As you guys can see, everything is nice and blended out, and we are definitely getting it together. So of course it wouldn't be done without the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. Yes, I got the foundation, the concealer, and the setting powder on. So as you can see, we are looking pretty good. We're gonna go in with our MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I am in the shade in W48, and we're just going to go ahead and brush off all of this excess powder off of our face. So now that everything is pretty much in this area of my eyes, I am going to go back in with my Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to go ahead and throw a shade below my eye. I think that would be a great idea. Let's go in with Big Wig because it's such a poppin' color. I love this color. And of course guys, it wouldn't be an Ibby inspired look without some eyeliner, so we are gonna go in with the Pat McGrath Perma Ultraglide eye pencil, and Jackie Aina has worked with Pat McGrath, so yes, this counts. So we are gonna go in with the Alamar Cosmetics, and I thought that it would be really cute to do some pink because I mean it's still summertime, so I guess I'm gonna go in with some Toasted and Seclusion, so the darkest and lightest one in the palette, just to balance everything out. And for the lips, we are gonna do our NYX Suede, and this is in the color Club Hopper, which is a really nice brown. So I just got this new lippy from Maybelline New York, and it's the Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is in the color Amazonian in number 70. So This is a really pretty, look how pretty that is. Really pretty pink. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with Lemonade from Dominique Cosmetics. It smells so good. I think this is like the best smelling lippy out of all my lips, all of my lip glosses and lipsticks, and I have a lot. Guys, I almost forgot to really end off with, and I mean it this time, we are going to be doing the Artist Couture Dream Purple Dream highlighter. Now this isn't Jackie Aina's highlighter, but she has worked with Mac Daddy, of course, and this is in purple and it matches my eyes, so I think that's actually pretty cute. Guys, this is my final look. I am completely pleased with it, and I will just go ahead and tell you guys my positives and negatives about this palette. Now, for the positives, I absolutely love the packaging. As I told you guys before, I don't even think I am going to throw away this box. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Maybe like a pencil box, a pencil holder, a pen holder. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I am going to keep this because the packaging is bomb, bomb, bomb. The colors are great. I absolutely love that there is such a wide variety. As I mentioned before, you can go nudes, you can go with a nice neutral look. You can do the edges, which is the more orangish color, with the credit, which is like a really down to earth subtle tone looks, or you can go in with Shookington, which is a really nice bright purple, and Supreme, which is a really nice pink, and you can get so many looks. And as you guys can see, my eyes are pretty multicolored, and I pretty much used 4 colors, and I mean that's just one look, so you guys can do so many looks. For my negatives, I guess it doesn't really have to do with the palette in itself. It's just these, gosh darn it, Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes. There is like, I don't know, like I just can't find myself to blend with these brushes. And I mean, they come in with any Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love this palette. Jackie, you did it again. You have showed up, girl. You have come through, girl. You have done your thing, girl. Appreciate you, Jackie. We love you, girl. Keep doing your thing. She has been popping in 2019. And yeah, once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join that IbbyInspired fam bam. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.